Hi, Aguinaldo. I've decided to take your shaman for an interview. Then I have some question for you. How long have you been an English teacher?
I've been an English teacher for about 25 years.
Have you ever been to Japan?
No, I've never been to Japan, but I think it's a very interesting country and I would like to go there.
What is the most exotic food you have eaten?
Well, actually, I haven't really tried any exotic food.
Have you ever considered moving to Australia?
No, I've never really considered moving to Australia, but I would like to visit it.
That's it. Thank you.